first step?
Fold it somehow.
To fold it, we're gonna take our corner of our rectangle paper and line it up on one side till I get a point on this corner, because we're going to create what shape, Micah?
Triangle.
Right? To make a triangle, right?
Did I do it right?
Yeah, you did great. Now we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut off the extra here. Okay.
Now that we cut off the extras, we have a square or diamond.
Or a diamond. So we're gonna pull it back in our triangle.
Yep.
And what are we gonna do next, buddy?
Going to fold it again.
To make another smaller
Triangle.
triangle. Here's our smaller triangles. Now that we have our smaller triangle, this is the really tricky part, because I gotta fold this triangle into thirds. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna try to make them as equal as possible, but if it's not, it's okay, because every snowflake is different. So I'm gonna kind of wrap one side over a little bit, and then wrap the other till I get two pointy triangles sticking out the end. Then I'm going to press it down. Now we're gonna watch Micah try it. Right? Wrap here. Now wrap the other side over. All the way. There you go. Press it down. You did it. Nice. I think it's pressed. Okay.
Now when you have this funky shape, you line up with the line and cut it off.
So we're cutting off the two little triangles?
Yep.
Okay.
Now that we have our final triangle, we're going to draw a shape on it.
With our pencil, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And it can be any shape you want, just because all snowflakes are different.
Micah, show us your shape. That's gonna be exciting.
Now that we cut out our shapes, we're going to unfold them and see our snowflake. Cool. Yeah, baby.
Wow, that's so cool.